If you're seeing form error messages in Hubspot that don't look right, or you want to change the validation text your visitors see, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to fix Hubspot change form error messages step by step, so you can update the wording, double-check your required fields, and make sure your forms are working the way you want. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like, and make sure to subscribe for more Hubspot how-to guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Hubspot and go in Marketing, then Forms. This is where all of your existing forms are managed, so once you're in the Forms area, find the form you want to update and select it. After that, click Edit to open the form editor. Now that your form is open, look through the fields you want to adjust. If the issue is related to what visitors see when they enter invalid information, click on a field such as Email. On the field settings, look for the Validation Message or Error Message section. This is where Hubspot lets you change the text that appears when someone misses a requirement or enters the wrong format. For example, if you want your email field to show a friendlier message, you can replace the default validation text with something clearer, like asking the user to enter a valid email address. Keep the wording short, simple, and easy to understand. The goal is to help visitors fix the problem quickly without confusion. Next, go through the other fields in your form one by one if needed. If you have multiple required fields, check each one carefully to make sure the error message matches the type of input you want. This is especially important for phone numbers, drop-downs, text fields, and anything with custom validation. A good error message can improve the user experience and reduce form abandonment. While you're reviewing the form, double-check all the details before saving. Make sure the text is spelled correctly, the field logic still makes sense, and the required fields are toggled the way you want. Sometimes the error message issue is not just about the wording, but also about whether a field is required when it shouldn't be, or optional when it should be required. So take a moment to verify each field setting carefully. If a field keeps showing an error message unexpectedly, check whether the validation rules are too strict, or whether the field is marked as required. Adjust those settings as needed so the form behaves correctly. Once everything looks good, save your changes and test the form. Submit a few sample entries to confirm that the updated error messages appear exactly how you expect. Testing is important because it helps you catch issues before visitors do. And that's it. You've now fixed Hubspot change form error messages by opening your form, editing the validation text, checking required field settings, and saving the updates. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.